Namaste dosto. Welcome back to Accountable India podcast, your go-to spot for simple, no bakwas breakdowns of corruption in India. I'm your host, Dr. Rakesh Verma, and today we are diving into a massive scam in our system, the kind that makes you go, "Arey yaar, ye kya ho raha hai?" If you're an 18-year-old scrolling through Insta or prepping for UPSC, this episode is for you. We are talking Indian elite corruption, Lokpal versus UPSC jurisdiction, and how the big bosses are protecting their own. Okay, let's start from the basics. Imagine you're 18, dreaming of a government job through UPSC, the big exam that picks IAS officers, the real power players in India. But what if I told you the people running UPSC, these top Group A, B, C, D officers, are basically untouchable when it comes to corruption probes? Sounds like a Bollywood plot, right? But it's real, and it happened just last week. Enter the Lokpal, remember that? Back in 2011, Anna Hazare movement had the whole country on streets, shouting Bharat Mata Ki Jai and demanding an anti-corruption watchdog. In 2014, the government promised Lokpal as the superhero against high-level scams. PM, ministers, MPs सबके ऊपर ये नजर रखेगा. The Lokpal Act says in Section 14F, any officer in a body financed by the government is under its watch. Simple, na? But hold on, fast forward to September 2025. The Lokpal itself drops a bomb. Sorry, UPSC officials? Not our jurisdiction. A complaint came against the secretary and additional secretaries of UPSC for some shady dealings. The complainant said, "Arey, these are central government Group A officers, they should be probed." But Lokpal's bench, headed by Justice A.M. Khanwilkar, said no. Why? Because UPSC is set up by the Constitution, Article 315, not some Parliament Act. So, these officers are serving UPSC affairs, not union affairs. Case dismissed. You can go cry to other laws, they said. Yaar, even an 18-year-old can see the bakwas here. UPSC gets its money straight from the government's consolidated fund, same as Supreme Court or Election Commission. Billions of rupees. How is that not financed by government? Prashant Bhushan ji, the lawyer who's been fighting these fights forever, called it absurd. He tweeted, "Rip Lokpal." And thousands agreed, likes pouring in, people ragging in replies. One guy said, "This verdict kills public trust." Another, "Lokpal was a silver bullet. Now it's a retirement joke for judges." Spot on. Now, let's unpack the real rot, the corruption and connivance of Indian elite. See, dosto, this isn't just a legal loophole. It's the elites clubbing together to shield themselves. UPSC controls who becomes IAS, the officers who run districts, approve projects, and sometimes take bribes for postings or promotions. If UPSC bosses can rig interviews or favor rich kids, think coaching mafia connections. Who's checking them? Not Lokpal, apparently. Think about it. PM and ministers are under Lokpal, but the guys picking their team? Free pass. This is classic elite connivance. Politicians appoint UPSC members, judges retire to Kashi Lokpal posts, and bureaucrats circle the wagons. Remember the 2G scam or Colgate? Billions looted, but how many big fish in jail? Zilch. The system is designed so probes fizzle out. As one reply on Bhushan Ji's post put it, the law we fought for in 2014 is now a joke. Exactly, from Anna's fast to this fast. For you young listeners, this hits your future hard. Want a fair shot at Sarkari Naukri? Dream on. if corruption runs unchecked. It's why startups in India struggle bribes for licenses while elites sip chai in AC offices. So, what's the fix? First, pressure your MPs, tweet RIP Lokpal, demand amendments to include constitutional bodies like UPSC. Second, support groups like Accountable India. We are pushing for transparent UPSC reforms. Third, vote smart in 2029. Ask candidates, will you fix Lokpal? If this episode on Indian elite corruption exposed or UPSC Lokpal scam explained fired you up, share it with friends. Drop a review. Loved how it made corruption simple for Gen Z. Follow us at Great Accountable India for more. Namaste, stay accountable, and remember, change starts with you. Jai Hind.